Right, this is Dad Random, and I'm doing a little off-roading right now. I just got off on a spot. I have never been here before. This is a scouting trip. So because it's a scouting trip, I brought the trusty Mavic Mini. So if I have to put it in the air, I find a really good spot to launch the drone. I got everything basically covered for a short flight. But I have never ever been to this specific trail. It's a little tiny overlook trail. Anytime you see a car just kind of parked off, sometimes you have there's a little diamond in the rough, you know. So all right, so for Dad Random, yes, okay, a little bit of scouting. About 85 degrees today. I just got done flying the Mavic Air 2. Did a little bit of a photography flight, and then I forgot to turn the camera on. The Osmo Pocket. I think I was just taking still photos. Oh my gosh. I'm not wearing audio, so who knows what it's going to turn out. You just never know sometimes. But scouting later, I had to stop because you got these contrasts. Look at the flowers and the green and then the red sand. It's just amazing. It's not fun to walk in, but it makes for good photography. Nice trail. Yes, I am breathing hard because it's 85 degrees. Probably going to get, I think today is supposed to top off at 100 maybe. So, and you know, this camera is definitely not going to like 100 degrees. So, small clips, guys, small clips, little clips. Later, and bye. All right, guys. This is where you get to the point of, all right, should I launch my Mavic Mini right now? Because I really don't know how far I have to walk yet to get to wherever this trail leads. So instead of basically taking those extra steps, I'm actually going to set up my camera right here. I'm going to launch the Mavic Mini and scout ahead. All right, later and bye. All right, here we go. We're going to hand launch the Mavic Mini and do a little scouting. All right. Why we like the Mini right there. Why we like it. Go ahead and give her some freaking. We're going to put her in sport mode too. There we go. And we are going to see what the trail is going to bring us. All right. The scouting with the Mavic Mini. Look at the video though. That's pretty damn good, isn't it? That's pretty darn snappy little video right there. Right there. Back. Now this way back, I'm not getting, the histogram is a little bit broke up, but you can see where I would have to travel over all that sand down there. And that is a lot of walking, guys, for not what I'm trying to accomplish. So So could I have scouted this area earlier? Yeah, I could have. I could have used Google Maps. But hey, why not use the Mavic Mini? So she's coming back. I can hear her. Mm-hmm. She's just buzzing back at breakneck speed, getting chased by a little bird. It's like, hey, this is my area. A little bird chasing another little bird. All right. So it's been a while since I've flown this little puppy. All right. So a little scouting with the Mavic Mini, but scouting later and bye. Later and bye.